good, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on your location. Okay, today we'll be looking at how to edit your video, how to blur your background using CapCut. How to blur your background. Okay, watch me as we dive into it. Now, go into your CapCut, then allow it to before you do it, you record the video and make sure the camera of the video is still before you use such video to do it. Don't use a video that is not stable. Now let's enter into a new video. Some people have been complaining as I've been getting problem about cropping my Chrome and all these things. It's due to that your camera, number one of the problem can be your camera is not steady. So let's dive into the new video. Actually, then when you dive into the new video, I select this one. This video, this is is upcoming Christian artist. His name is David. You can follow him on all over his social media. And okay, let's listen to his song first of all. Okay, this song now, if you want to blur the background, what we do first of all is to click here, click on the video, then we duplicate this video. Then when we duplicate the video, then the second video will make an overlay. You add it as an overlay. You look for your overlay, see overlay here. You press overlay. Then this video will come down. You drag this video to the end. Make sure it will reach the ending. Then you drag it to the end. Drag. Yes. As you can see, we are dragging the video already. Till the end. This is the end. This is the ending part of the video. Then you go to the other one that your first video. That's the background video. You blur it. You blur it. You go to you blur it. You blur it. You look for blur. Look for blur. Look for where they write AI remover. Look for. Let's look for it. So let me look for it in this AI remover. Let me look for it in this image. Let me look for it here. Let me look for it here. Then you look for it. Then you go to effect. You go to video effect. You search for blur background. When you go to effect, search for blur background. Blur background, you search for it. Then you wait. Yes, you click this one. Yes. Then you go to blur it. Okay, let's leave it as 50, 60. Let's leave it here. So you press done after you finish. Then you go to your second video. Then you go to your second video. Go to your second. As you can see, the background is blurred now. As you can see, the background is blurred now. Let's play it. See it. Why it's not like this before? As you can see, the background is now blurred.
There is a mystery behind what we are doing.
This music
there is a mystery
was composed
behind what we are doing.
By David.
We are not sure. We just need to be ourselves. But seven knows who is going to welcome to his kingdom.
Then you export.
I have knows who is going to.
But there's one more thing we need to add after everything. There's something I noticed.
Mystery behind what we are doing.
There's something I noticed over here.
He's going to welcome to his kingdom. I have knows who is going to welcome to his
Make sure
kingdom.
the hairs are aligning.
The moon shines, the sun shines early. There is a time for everything, every second, every moment.
See, the background is blurred now.
We are natural, and we find ourselves in every moment, every time. Has its own mystery, and its mystery full of many blessings. And this blessing
You see it?
happened to be a reason.
It's aligning. So we need to go and do something else. That's caption to make the video more enticing. Caption, auto caption, generate. As you can see, we are generating auto caption. So it's generating it. Give it time to generate it fully. Give it time to generate it fully.
There is a mystery in what we are doing.
Edit it. Edit the caption behind. There's a mystery behind.
There is a mystery in what we are doing. We are not sure. We don't need to be ourselves. But heaven knows who is going to welcome to his kingdom. Heaven knows who is going to welcome to his kingdom. Heavy. The sun shine heavy. There is a time for everything, every second, every moment.
So after you edit it finish, then you export. That's all for the class. You export. So yeah, you just export. Thank you for watching. Follow more for more videos.